Hey everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Ethereum and picking up where we left off in the previous Ethereum video. Now, as we all know about the whole drama that's been going on with FTX and how that has completely crashed the market, and what we're seeing now with this crash, Ethereum hasn't, of course, had it as bad as Bitcoin has, because Ethereum didn't fall down below its 52-week low, which is good, but at the same time, I'm not 100% sure that Ethereum's out of the woods yet. And I think that a lot of what we're seeing right now with the price pumping up, even though this is a pretty significant price bump that we're seeing with Ethereum on this day, a lot of this is just due to the CPI data. So because there was some bullish news on this day, that still doesn't mean that we can't go back into the bearish thoughts that we're in right now tomorrow, because we're not out of the woods yet with the FTX drama. And we're looking at some more crypto problems, I'm sure, as time does move on here. So with that being said, I think that there's still more room to possibly go down with Ethereum. But at the same time, we could also have completed this recent dip within the price, and we could be trending back up and retracing a lot of what we just lost. I mean, that's another possibility. But let's first just think about this bearish possibility here with Ethereum, because I think that that's where our mind should be right now, in my opinion. At least that's where my mind is, and this is obviously just my own personal opinion. This is not financial advice, so this is where I'm going to go with right now. So seeing how the price of Ethereum has been trending down here, and now we're seeing this move to the upside, I would say that we've had our wave one, we've had our wave two, but we've only completed a wave three to the downside. This is a wave four, because obviously, in my opinion, this could be the wave four. I mean, this could be the trend change and move to the upside, but seeing the fact that we have not surpassed our wave one, so the wave four possibility is still there. So with that, I would say that this could be a wave four. And the fact that we've had two attempts to break through here, I think that the next move to the downside is seeing a wave five fall below the wave three, obviously. So from that, I would say that we could be seeing Ethereum's price come down a bit more. Now, I was saying on the previous day we could be seeing Ethereum come down to the range of around $700, but seeing that we have a wave three that most likely has completed by now, I would say that we're not going to see Ethereum drop that low, but I think that the possibility of seeing Ethereum fall below the price of $1,000 is a possibility, and I think that we would see Ethereum fall more closer to a price that's around $920. So if this is not the scenario, if this does not work, then where we would need to go up within this price is we would need to go above the wave one. So if we were to instead see this current price movement take the price of Ethereum above the price of around 1420, then in that case, then we would be in a much more bullish situation, and this would not be a wave four. We would do a recount, and this would be our wave five, and this would be a trend change. So unless if it reaches that price, this scenario is still in play. And also worth pointing out within this scenario, if we were to look at the Fibonacci retracement and look at this wave three, then you can see that currently the wave where we're at right now is within 50% of the Fibonacci level from the wave three, from waves 2 to 3. And if we were to drop lower within this wave 5, then the length of that wave 5 would be about 78% of what the wave 3's length is. If we look at the wave 1's length, that is about 50% of the length of what wave 3 is. So all this would add up and make sense in that case if it was to play out that way. So let's cross our fingers with either situation. If the price comes down to a price that's closer to $900, or at least it comes down below $1,000 as one possibility, and doesn't go down much lower than $900 if it was to be the case, or the scenario that we've already completed the wave 5 and there's a different scenario in place. So just to draw that one in, and that would be if things were to play out like this. So we would take our wave 1, our wave 2, And then instead, we would say that this would be our wave 3. This is still a longer price movement than this is, since this is such a more of a spread out wave move. So this would be our wave 4, and then this would be our wave 5. So this is a possibility here that this could be one that could be in play as well and be complete. And this could be something completely different. And we could be looking at this as being a possible, this being our A wave, this being our B wave. Then now we're within a C wave right now. So we would have a wave 1, and then a wave 2. So we still have a bit more to go as well. And we could be seeing this do a pretty nice pump still within this as a possibility. Now, no certainty though that that's what we're currently seeing right now. It could be really anything. So I'll just leave it here though. I'll leave these possibilities here, and we'll see which one works out the best. If we see Ethereum going above a price above 1420, then I'd say that we're out of that bearish possibility, and we could be seeing a little bit of a bullish possibility. We could be in this possibility here. If this is not the case, then we will have that one more leg down to go within that wave 5 and take that down to a price around that $920 price. So anyways, with that being said, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about this. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that there's more to drop with Ethereum? I'd like to know. Now, I do talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day, and many other altcoins as well. So if you like content like this, please do consider subscribing. So like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you for watching and listening.